To start up a new row using treble back post, you're going to only chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you're familiar with crochet, usually trebles you chain 4, but because you're gonna be using the post, you're only gonna chain 3. So you'll come to the next post available to you and you're gonna wrap the hook, so yarning over twice, and then come from the back in between the posts and then push it to the back, so capturing that one post. Pull through. You have 4 loops left on your hook, so just yarning over, pulling it through 2, 2, and 2, back to the top. To do the next one, wrap twice and then come from the back and then pop it to the back and pull through and keep on doing that all the way across. So the one you want to pay attention to is the very beginning, how we chain the 4, and so because this is a treble, the very last stitch will be a double crochet in the turning chain. So this is creating the ridges to be in front of the work that you can see as you're doing it. So if this was a front post, you would not see the ridges that are appearing before your eyes. Usually this kind of work is done to provide texture, and even it can be applied to cuffs and so much more. So in the turning chain, that's where you're going to apply the final double crochet right into the chain, never to a gapping space, and then turn. So to turn, chain up only a total of 4. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you're only chaining 3 to begin, and you were going to start on the first one. So wrapping twice and then coming in from the back and applying your treble back post. And that would be how you do that. So that's back post treble crochet, just like you see.